Hello viewers, you are welcome again. Here we'll be looking at how to use Excel formulas to do some simple arithmetics like addition, division, subtraction, and multiplication. So we'll be working with the data we have here on the screen already. So let's say we want to get the purchase amount. The purchase amount for an item should be the sum of the amount and the tax. So just to add tax to the amount to tell us what we actually paid for that item. Okay, we can do that by clicking equals. Let's use hard-coded numbers here. That's 75,000, which is the amount, plus the tax, which is 5,625. Press enter. So this is the purchase amount. This is how much we paid for to get Martina. Okay, so if we use the fill handle to fill this down, notice that we're having the same amount, and that's not what we want. So what do? We simply use, so let's just do Ctrl-Z to reverse that. We simply use cell referencing to make reference to this, so that as we use the autofill handle, it can give us the right calculations. Okay, so let's just change this to equals E plus F. Press enter. Okay, the same amount. So let's use the autofill handle to fill it down. Great, that's it. Now for the quantity sold, let's assume that we sold 100% of all that we bought. So we just copy the quantity bought using Ctrl-C and paste it using Ctrl-V. Perfect. And to get the selling price, we'll be working with an assumption that there's a 20% markup on selling price. Let's say the selling price should be 1.275. Like the markup, we'll use this to multiply. So this is not actually the selling price. This is the markup. We'll use it to multiply the rate to give us the selling price proper. Okay. So the 75 there is to make provision for tax. That's good. Let's just change the fill color so we can differentiate it. Perfect. So now the selling price should be equals the rate multiplied by the multiplicand. So we have to anchor this using the function key F4 and press enter. Okay, why we anchor this? So that it can be referring to the same cell I2 as we fill down. Great. So use the autofill handle and fill it down. Perfect. The next thing is to get the revenue. To get the revenue should be quantity sold multiplied by the selling price. So this should be equals H3 times I3. Press enter. You have it. Use the autofill handle to fill it down. Okay, our net profit here is the next thing we're going to calculate. The net profit should be revenue, which is this, minus the purchase amount. Okay, so we just say equals revenue minus purchase amount. Press enter. Perfect. Let's use the autofill handle to fill it down. Okay, that's great. So the next thing we'll be getting here is to look at how to get the percentage contribution to total revenue. The percentage contribution to total revenue, we want to know how much the percentage contribution of each of these items to total revenue. So we must first of all get the total revenue. So another way to get it, you can just say this equals to can select here and drag down. Okay, no, this is not what we want to do. We want to find sum, but I don't want to use the function key. Let's just say this alt equals to, I just use a small, press enter. So this is total revenue. Okay, let's also try to differentiate it by using a field color. That's great. So now to get the percentage contribution to total revenue, that will be equals to the actual revenue for that particular product divided by the total revenue. Now note, we must have to anchor the total revenue, okay, with a perfect anchoring, absolute anchoring, sorry. Press enter. That's it. Use the autofill handle to fill it down. That's great. Now to test this, the sum of these items, numbers above, should give us 1. So it equals, as you can see it, the sum of them should give us 1. This is just a test. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching. I appreciate you.